Good morning everybody, welcome back to a brand new vlog. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay here. What's good and what's poppin'? I think the title of this video and the whole premise is going to be more of like a tutorial video for those Tesla owners that want to swap their batteries out or need to replace them. So if you guys are here for that and you don't watch the vlogs normally, then I'll give a timestamp right here for where that tutorial starts. But if you guys are here for the ride, you guys are here for the vlog, let's get it and let's go. I don't know if it's just me, but I feel like if I don't fix my bed in the morning, I'm going to have a terrible day. So we're gonna have to fix that right now. Oh my god, just like that, we have a fresh new bed. Hey, I've been keeping up with my workouts, guys. Can we get a like on this video for that? Come on. I'm pretty sure today is going to mark 18 pounds down. And I started this whole like eating somewhat healthy and working out on a daily thing about a month and a half ago. So we're going pretty good. I'm trying to get under 200. I started at 226 pounds, which is the heaviest that I've ever been, and I wasn't really feeling it, to be honest. So we're cleaning ourselves up. We're making ourselves a little bit more healthier. And right now, it's time for a weigh-in, so let's get that. I don't know if it's just me, but I feel like whenever you weigh yourself, you can't do it with clothes. The clothes weigh so much. 214.8. That's what clothes on, okay? Even this AirPod, watch. Top is off. I'm only gonna show you this much. If you wanna see more, you gotta subscribe to the OnlyFans. But check this out. 214.8 before, right? Top off. 212.8. 2 pounds by just taking the top off, all right? The phone, this thing weighs a lot too. Peep the official reading right there. That's not too bad. Lately, I've been thinking about new ideas, designs, mock-ups, and all that good stuff. So I figured that maybe I should start making some posters for you guys for a lot of those people that enjoy the Tesla. So I went ahead and got 2 designs made, and I just want to show you the mock-ups that I have right now. They came out pretty sick. All right, guys, check this out. This is the first design right here. It has the Golden Gate Bridge in the background, representing the Bay Area, of course, and we have the infamous purple Tesla. So that is the first design, and then this one is the second design. Second design is a little bit more simple, a little bit less colors, and it just shows multiple angles of the vehicle. Let me know which one you guys like more. Do you like design number 1? Or do you like design number 2? So what my plan for all of these is I'm gonna sign each and every one of them, and I'm going to number it. So it'll be like a limited release. Let me know if you guys would be interested in purchasing these. I just think it'd be pretty cool for the crib. My homie Raph made me one a while back for Christmas, I believe. And this one right here was of my old van. Comment down below if you guys remember that. I'm also getting stickers made, and I'm also doing a few t-shirts, long sleeves, and maybe some hoodies of the Tesla as well. So if you guys wanna follow me and stay updated for that, follow me on Instagram at Sneakerhead in the Bay. So I hope you guys are excited for that. I have a brand new Fortnite Switch available if you guys want to purchase. You can shoot me a DM on Instagram at Sneakerhead in the Bay. This one comes with 2,000 V-Bucks, and I guess it's a special edition. So if you guys are looking for like a Christmas gift, or maybe want to surprise yourself, I got this for you right here. What do we have here, Butters? A while back, I ended up purchasing this aftermarket battery. This one does a lot better with the accessories, because the original Tesla battery that comes in the Model 3 doesn't really do well with all of the accessories that I have. The air suspension, whenever it kicks on, it basically tricks the battery, and it makes it think that it is running low, and it tells me that it needs to be changed. So I went ahead and purchased this as an upgrade to hopefully solve that problem. So this is from Yooo. And this battery is pretty expensive. If I remember correctly, it was maybe around like $350, maybe even $400. This isn't sponsored. I just seen a few people use this for everybody that runs the air setups, subwoofers, and things like that. So I figured I would go ahead and just swap this out. The other day when I walked to my car, I noticed that it had like, see this little like hand mark or whatever? Maybe it's a kid that did it, I'm not even sure, but they basically like rubbed the entire side of my car. I know it's kind of hard to see here. See it a little bit right there? Literally all over the car. I know it's super hard to see, but Yeah. If you skip to this part, I'm assuming that you want to learn how to change your Tesla Model 3 battery, or you just ended up watching the entire vlog. I appreciate you guys if you did. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to replace it. It's a little bit different than changing a normal car battery. I'm going to try to make this nice and simple for you guys trying this at home, so let's get it. So the first thing that we're going to do is open the rear door on the passenger side and just leave that open because we're going to need to access that later. As you guys can see, we have our battery replacement notification. So the next thing that we're going to do is we are going to open the frunk, click on the car icon at the bottom left, go to safety and security, and we are going to power off. All right, so now we are going to go to the rear seats. Now there are two little hinges underneath the seat. You could feel them, and all you do is you find it and you kind of push it and then lift the seat up, and then that will remove the clip. You might be able to work with it like this, but you see that styrofoam piece right there? We have to remove it. So once we remove that, you're gonna see this little piece right here. This piece is what connects the car to the main battery, the huge one. So we gotta remove this. We're just gonna press down on this little latch. You guys hear that? So that's disconnected. Now we could go ahead and start removing the plastic trim by just lifting up. Very easy. Just like that. There's the battery right there. We are going to have to remove this piece. All right, so to remove the battery, we're just going to be using a 10 mil socket wrench. And the first thing we're going to remove is this little brace right here. We are going to remove the negative first, and then we will go ahead and remove the positive. We're just going to keep that to the side, make sure it doesn't touch anything. And there is a little plug right here on the battery, so we're just gonna go ahead and remove this. Unplug it like that, and we should be able to pull this thing out. So on the brand new battery, it's a little bit different because the nips right here are a little bit smaller. So they come with these adapters. The smallest one will go on the negative right here. Just like that. The bigger one goes on the positive. This one looks really chewed up because I made the most noob mistake. Bruh. I pounded this on the original battery. It's already fat right here. So I was like, bro, this is a really tight fitment. Like, I really have to pound this. And then I realized I done messed up. So this one looks all chewed up, but we're all good to go now. And yeah, super noob mistake. But we go ahead, drop it in, and we could go ahead and hook everything up. Everything is all connected back again. I'll go ahead and hide this a little bit more clean a little bit later. But when you put your battery in, you want to make sure you connect your positive first and negative last. So once you got that, we'll go ahead and reconnect the main power right here. And all you gotta do to do that is lift this up, click it back in. Go ahead and plop that back. That's exactly what the latch looks like, if you guys were wondering. Right there. And as you guys can see, no more battery light right there. So that means I could finally update the car. While the car is updating, I just want to let you guys know that I didn't really feel the difference at first, but now that I put the stock battery back into this box, the stock battery is super heavy compared to the new one that we put in. Butters. Whenever I whip out the camera, she just does this like pathetic lay down look. She's normally super loud, barking, running all over the place. But when the camera comes out, you decide to look like a chump. Don't believe this face, man. This is the face of destruction right here. I don't know about you guys, but I'm hungry, and it's the next day now. So it's lunchtime. What time is it? What time is it? What time is it? 11:37, first meal of the day, and I think I'm about to make myself a tuna sandwich, to be honest. I know some people, they don't really like the tuna sandwiches, but as a kid, I ate them all the time growing up, so it's like, it's a classic. Tuna, no crust. Yeah, probably just end this vlog, right? Because if I do this, I could go ahead and edit it and it'll be out today. So today is Monday. Happy Monday if I have it out. If I do, hit the like button. This one is still looking pathetic. What am I gonna do with you, girl? Here we go. So a lot of people have been asking me through Instagram, because I've been posting like the whole weight loss stuff. A lot of people have been asking me, Alex, how are you losing the weight? What are you doing to lose the weight? And to be honest, I feel like I feel like boba was a big part of that. In the past month and a half, I've only had 2 cups of boba. Boba, man. Sugar, carbs. If you could stay away from both of those, you'll be good. I feel like I'm cutting this onion weird. Anyway. Sometimes I'll be having my onions kind of chunky. I just like it like that, so not tripping. And we're gonna add some sweet relish. You let this sit for a little bit because it kind of tones down the onions. Makes it a lot more tolerable, I guess, less strong. So shout out to my mom for showing me that. But we're gonna put a lot of sweet relish in here. Mix it up, let it sit for a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this. I know y'all probably don't want a tutorial, so let me finish this. We'll eat it together, catch up with you guys in a little bit. Look at that. I did the grilled cheese method, so it's like a tuna melt. Got some lettuce in there. Ran out of spinach the other day and haven't re-upped yet. But look at that. That thing is looking mighty fine, as my boy Ben Dean would say. Look at that. Look at that. Tuna sandwich. Classic. Brings me back to my childhood. Let's do it. Let's do it together, baby. Oh, we got a little drizzle right there on my finger. Mmm. Mmm. This is wild, bro. This is good. Comment down below. What is your childhood sandwich? I got tuna sandwiches and peanut butter and jelly sandwiches for most of my childhood. I'm gonna kill the rest of this. Sorry for freaking y'all out. Catch up to you in a second. All right, everyone, that is going to wrap up this vlog right here. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. If y'all could share this video, that would be pretty dope too. Oh, I almost forgot. Christmas is coming up, so drop a comment down below. What are some good Christmas gifts? Not some whack ones that you won't use, but like, you know, useful gifts. If y'all have anything cool to share, do us a favor, everybody watching, and drop it down below. I'll catch y'all next time. I'm out. Deuces.